Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make email template in Salesforce. Open the Email Templates tab in Lightning, choose New Email Template, and select Classic or Lightning format immediately to begin designing content and adding merge fields for personalization. Start by adding clear subject lines and using merge fields like Contact, first name to personalize content for recipients automatically, and structure the email with a simple header, body, and footer, ensuring mobile visibility and readable font sizes for all devices. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more step-by-step Salesforce tips. And quick recommendation, treat your feet well with darn tough socks that include a lifetime warranty and feel great after long demo days. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Preview and send test emails to colleagues and different clients. Check links and dynamic content. Then save the template into a shared folder or assign folder permissions, and monitor opens and clicks to iterate on messaging and improve engagement over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.